Deciding between a bidet toilet and a traditional one? Let's break down the differences to help you choose what's best for your home. In this video, we'll compare hygiene, environmental impact, cost, and comfort to help you make an informed decision. What is a bidet toilet? A bidet toilet combines a toilet and bidet using water to cleanse after use. With adjustable settings for water pressure, temperature, and angle, it provides a personalized, thorough clean. Many also have features like heated seats, air dryers, and self-cleaning nozzles. Popular among those focused on hygiene, comfort, and eco-friendliness, bidet toilets offer a luxurious bathroom experience while reducing toilet paper use and water waste. What is a traditional toilet? Traditional toilets use a water tank and rely on gravity to flush. They're simple, affordable, and easy to install, but depend heavily on toilet paper for hygiene. Though modern models are more water efficient, they still use more water per flush than bidets and don't offer the same level of cleanliness or comfort. Hygiene comparison. Bidet hygiene. Bidets offer superior hygiene by using water, which cleans more thoroughly than toilet paper. This reduces irritation, prevents UTIs, and is gentler on skin. Many bidets allow you to adjust settings for a personalized clean. Traditional toilet hygiene. Traditional toilets rely on toilet paper, which can leave residue behind, leading to potential irritation and discomfort. It can also require multiple wipes, which may not fully cleanse. Bidets provide a cleaner, healthier bathroom experience. Environmental impact. Water use and toilet paper. Bidet toilets use far less water per flush, 0.5 to 1.5 liters, compared to traditional toilets, 6 to 12 liters. They also drastically reduce toilet paper consumption, cutting down on waste and deforestation. Long-term environmental benefits. While bidets require more energy to manufacture, they offset this by saving paper and water. For areas with water scarcity, bidets are a great solution. Cost considerations. Initial cost. Bidet toilets cost more upfront, $200 to $1,500 plus, while traditional toilets are more affordable, $100 to $500. However, installation costs for bidets can be higher due to advanced plumbing. Ongoing costs. Bidets save money over time by reducing toilet paper usage. They also require less maintenance with features like self-cleaning nozzles compared to traditional toilets, which incur ongoing costs for toilet paper and water. Comfort and convenience. Bidet comfort. Bidets provide a luxury experience with features like heated seats, adjustable water pressure, and air drying. They make the bathroom experience more comfortable, especially in colder climates. Traditional toilet comfort. Traditional toilets are functional but basic. While modern versions offer elongated seats or quieter flushes, they lack the luxury and comfort of bidet toilets. Who should choose which? Ideal for bidets. If you value hygiene, eco-friendliness, and comfort, a bidet is a great choice. It's perfect for those with sensitive skin, mobility issues, or anyone who wants to reduce waste. Ideal for traditional toilets. Traditional toilets are ideal for those on a budget, or if you prefer simplicity and ease of installation. They're a solid option if you're not interested in adopting new technology. Bidet toilets offer enhanced hygiene and comfort, while traditional toilets remain cost-effective and reliable. Your choice depends on your priorities, budget, comfort, and environmental impact.